What's up, guys? Welcome back. We got a cool jump scare animation of the prototype. So freeze framed it, took a screen grab, so we're going to draw it. So he's kind of like about to stab with his, those spiky hands. So it's kind of cool. So we'll put his head, so just a circle. Like if you have a compass or something that helps draw circles, do that. So we'll do the white part of his head first. So we'll just go around. And again, if you have a plate or a cup or anything like that helps you draw circles, do use it if you want. Okay. So just there. So let me get his eyes in there. Now they're kind of like egg shapes, kind of turned in sideways, right? So kind of like this, just curved inwards. And then this one's real close to the other side. And like, see this shape in here. So it's like nearly touching. Okay, and then we can just see one glowing pupil, like one glowing eye, and it's black all around, and it's black all in there. So his mouth, so we'll go down, so we'll just go around here, down there. It's kind of bumpy. And then it kind of like curves across. And then up. And then around again. That's the top lip. And then we'll go down around for the bottom. And it doesn't just curve, it has a little spike, so it has a little bump here, and then it continues its curve. Bump and then continue the curve. So before I do the teeth, sometimes he has cracks on his face. So like, you don't see them all the time, but just like little, and like scratches and dirt and all this kind of stuff. Kind of like that. So all those teeth, so we can do the gum line first. So we'll go like bumping around each tooth. So this pink gum. There. And then teeth that come down these. So they're like, it looks like there's like spiky ones on the side maybe. Or they're kind of like just larger than the rest. Or they kind of like stick out more or something. And then the other ones are all kind of flat going in. So like, just coming in onto his face. Okay. And then we get all the ones underneath here. So we get like a spiky one, two spiky ones just here. And you can see his like gum on this side. Like you can see the pink. How many spiky ones? 3. 3 spikies over here as well. And then the rest go underneath. We can just see his gum line on this side as well. Okay, so then we get that jester hat, right? So it kind of curves around, bumps down under his chin, and comes back the other side. Kind of comes around his head, more or less. Boom, boom. There's a little line inside here. And then the yellow. So the yellow part coming down this side. And we don't close it off because there's a little bell hanging from it. So just leave it sort of an open shape. And then the top. There. And then those bells. So it's like, it's got like hooks that hang off, and then the round circle. Now remember, use your pause button if I go too fast. Little bell there, and then there's these black gaps in them. Around here too. And then on this side. Okay, and then again, like dirt and scratches and stuff on his head. So his neck comes down here, and his neck is divided into 4 colors. That's more than 4, I think. Yellow, blue, red, yellow, blue. And then we get his shirt collar. There. Comes around his neck. Down. And then it just comes back around the back of the neck with a button. And he's big red collar, and it has like chunks taken out of it, like little V's. And like, you know, some curved lines just on it where it connects. Then it has a yellow edge just coming around. And then tied in the middle. Brings down. And we can kind of see like the side of it kind of there. Can't see it on this side, but I'll put it in anyway, just to make more sense. It's like a bow tie. So then his arms are going this way. He's got a hold of the player here, and then he's about to spike on this side. So the shoulder goes out this way, and he's got little yellow boxes on his shoulders. And then his shoulder just comes down this way to his waist jacket. This side it's a bit different, so because it's stretched out, so it goes this way. Like that's his jacket there. So then he has little details on the jacket, so little collars. So like coming out here. It's got like a yellow edge as well. Two buttons like that. Right, so the big arm outstretched here. So he's got these little bumps, red, circles that are on his arm, like little accordion sort of things. So a red one, a blue one, and a yellow one. And then his sleeve is kind of in here. Rolled up sort of sleeve. So just a series of curves. And then this has, like little folds. On it like that. So he's got like a big bony arm. So like bone going that way. Again, it's like coming right off the page because it's a jump scare, so it like looks like it's first person grabbing, the player. So it goes like that way. And then he's got some metal pipes and tubes in here. You could just color it black or just do lines just going down. And I think sometimes there's like veins, like with, blood or something in them. Maybe. Not sure. But that's that arm. So we'll do his body and then we'll do the spiky hand. So he's got like metal things here. Come down. And then the top side of it. Circles there. Give it a bit of an edge line. And then we have, it's all dark in there, can't really see. So the back of that is there. Comes down that way. And then we can see the back line. And then some edge that way. And then like lots of fur. So it's like a fur coat or something. Just coming around his back. Do. Okay, so this part of his arm goes out here to, is it an elbow even? But it goes out there and then it comes back to the spike. So we can see a couple of them, these sort of bell shapes. There's one. Two. And the third one, you can only see like half of it. So it goes and it disappears in behind his arm. We can do some like textures on that as well. Now, so hand might be the trickiest part of the whole lot. So right here, right, you have the balls that are on his hand. So you can only see the top 2 layers, I think. Is there 3 layers? Can't remember. But you just do these 4 curved lines together like that. And then you do another layer. There's one for his thumb out here as well. So the spikes all come out from there. They're very thin, sharp. So, like, say they start like in each finger, like here. And then they spike out. So they're real thin. So that's his pinky, so that's the smallest one. The middle finger is the longest one. So, like, it's like a pizza slice, a triangle sort of shape. So this is the furthest point. And then the next one. Just sketch them in lightly and then I'll go over them. Just make sure we're all sort of thin. And then the thumb is like in here. Okay, so that's the general shape of them, and I'll just tidy them up now, make them a bit darker. Okay, and then you can see like some of the metal pipes keep going back, so they go into these circles as well. So just do another set of curves like that. So we got to make it look like this bony arm connects back to his elbow up here, right? So we get like one of the bones back there, and then the other one you can barely see it, like bumps around here. And then you have all the connecting tubes and stuff. I like some of those pipes. And then I think like his elbow, so like his sleeve curves around here. Roughly. Like that. And there we go. Prototype. Jumpscare. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.